Percentage increase or decrease. You will learn how to work with percentage increase or decrease. Before continuing, do not forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask or suggest anything. There are many situations where quantities are either increased or decreased by a certain percentage. We will see two examples for dealing with percentage increase or percentage decrease. Suppose the price of a dress is $45. This price will be increased by 12%. Calculate the sale price. First, we will find the amount of the increase. Since the increase is 12% of the $45, we multiply 12% by 45. The sale price will be 45 plus 5.4. Now let's approach this problem in another way. We will see a simple method for working with percentage increase. We find the amount of increase. Then add this onto the original amount. We can put 45 in front of the brackets, and we get the same result. This method always works, and we can write. If we increase an amount by X%, the new amount will be new value is original value times 1 plus X%. Suppose the price of a dress is 45. This price will be decreased by 12%. Calculate the sale price. First, we will find the amount of the decreased. The decrease is 12% of the $45. We multiply 12% by 45. The sale price will be 45 minus 5.4. Now let's approach this problem in another way as we did above. We find the amount of decrease, then subtract this onto the original amount. We can put 45 in front of the brackets, and we get the same result. This method always works, and we can write. If we decrease an amount by X%, the new amount will be new value is original value times 1 minus X%. Let's see how it works. When a car priced at $20,000 is bought, a further 10% must be added for tax. What's the selling price of the car? The original value is $20,000. And the percentage is 10%. Convert the percentage to its decimal form. The original value will be increased by 10%. Take the formula and perform the calculations. The temperature in Doha, Qatar, on 1st July is 40 degrees Celsius. Over the next 2 days, this temperature decreases by 15%. Find the temperature in Doha on 4th July. The original value is 40 and the percentage is 15%. Convert the percentage to its decimal form. The original value will be decreased by 15%. Take the formula and perform the calculations. Deborah found that after a 2-week vacation, her weight had increased from 55 kilograms to 60 kilograms. What percentage increase in weight was this? The original value is 55 and the new value is 60. The original value was increased. Take the formula and perform the calculations. Convert the decimal to its percentage form. During a sale, the price of a TV dropped 24% and it was sold by $450. What was the original price of this TV? The new value is 450 and the percentage is 24%. Convert the percentage to its decimal form. The original value was decreased. Take the formula and perform the calculations.